Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are ready. Visual Studio installed with the Python workload and a Python interpreter available. Once done, open or create a project and show the Solution Explorer and Python Environments window. These panels let you create, select, and manage environments. You should choose whether to use an existing interpreter or create a new virtual environment. Creating a venv isolates packages and avoids conflicts. This step gets you immediately into environment management without wasting time on basic setup. You now create and configure the environment. Right-click the Python Environments node and choose Add Virtual Environment. Pick the base interpreter so the venv uses the correct Python version, give it a descriptive name, and set a project local location to keep it portable. Make sure to choose whether to inherit global site packages. Usually you do not. After creation, install required packages using the Integrated Package Manager, pip in terminal, or by adding a requirements, txt, and installing from it for reproducible setups. To finish, set the new environment as the project's default interpreter and open a terminal where the venv should automatically activate. If not, activate it manually with the platform-appropriate command. Run and debug a simple script to verify interpreter path and installed packages. Visual Studio picks the right env for run/debug when selected. If things go wrong, check that the workload is installed, the interpreter path is correct, and run pip freeze to confirm packages. One key troubleshooting tip: reselect the environment in.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.